Today, let's check out 15 incredible inventions that'll take your bike to the next level. As a cyclist, the best safety measure is to improve your on-road presence. This first invention aims to help you with just that. The Lumos Firefly bike light system upgrades your ride with turn signals, brake lights, synchronized flashing, and magnetic mounting. The built-in yellow turn signals and automatic brake lights help improve cyclists' safety by making their actions more visible to drivers. Each individual light has a battery life of up to 35 hours, and its visibility and flash settings can be customized according to preference. The LED lights can be easily set up and controlled using the Lumos app or remote. A set of 4 lights is currently priced at $199. Biking on crowded city roads can be quite a risk. A simple, cost-effective way to stay safe is to invest in an arm-mounted rear-view mirror. These rear-view mirrors have been designed to improve rearward visibility whilst cycling. They are fully adjustable to ensure the rider's comfort and are designed to limit vibration or distorted vision while on the road. The 50mm collapsible mirror sits in a flexible UV-protected casing that sits comfortably on the rider's arm. These mirrors are priced at $26. This California-based company is trying to bring color to your biking experience. Monkey lights are super bright LED lights that attach to a cycle's spokes and hub and spin with the wheel to make digital light art. The system has 42 built-in themes and animations that can be changed with just the push of a button, and even allows for customization. Monkey lights have a battery life of up to 8 hours and are easy to mount on the spokes of nearly any bike with wheels that are 20 inches or larger. The lights are no longer in production because the company went out of business in 2020, but they hope to relaunch the hit product in the near future. This next gadget will help you transform your regular old bike to an e-bike, right at home. The Pikaboost e-bike conversion kit comes along with a hub motor, controller, and all the necessary parts you would need for a DIY installation. With a wide range of batteries and customizations, these kits are compatible for all kinds of bikes, from mountain bikes to simple commuter bikes. The company is a huge supporter of making sustainability accessible, so the prices start at a reasonable $340. This next gadget is calling itself the ultimate safety solution for every cyclist. The Seeker cycling camera is a high-performance, compact 4K action camera paired with a digital dashboard to give the cyclist a 360-degree view of their surroundings. The camera has a battery life of up to 300 minutes and comes with a smartphone mount, handlebar mount, and protective frame. The camera is priced at $429. Combine the cycling experience with the biggest innovation in recent years, and what do you get? A ChatGPT-powered bike. Electric bike manufacturer Urtopia recently debuted the world's first smart e-bike with integrated ChatGPT functionality.
Who are you?
I am an AI language model designed to assist and provide helpful responses to your inquiries. How may I assist you today?
Beyond ChatGPT, the smart bike also offers integration with popular platforms like Apple Health and Strava. The investors went as far as creating a custom operating system for it. The cyclist can talk into a microphone even during heavy traffic, and the bike responds through a speaker on the handlebar. Urtopia hasn't announced any plans for an official release yet. Before we look at the next gadget, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video for more innovative tech content. Statistics show that in the US, a bicycle is stolen every 30 seconds. The AirBell contains a hidden holder for your Apple AirTag, turning your bike bell into an anti-theft device that's both smart and simple. The AirBell can be easily installed onto any bikes, including e-bikes, and its inconspicuous appearance makes it the perfect hiding spot for a small tracker. This simple security device is priced at $16. Want to listen to music on your bike ride, but your earphones don't fit under the helmet? Try the Coros Safesound Road Helmet. The sound system works via a horn shape that directs sound at your ears, without covering them, so you can still comfortably hear your surroundings. Coros' helmet not only lets users listen to music, but also utilizes an accompanying app that can provide voice navigation, GPS ride data, and more. The helmet itself has 6 large exhaust vents on the rear, an integrated LED rear light, and silver-threaded antibacterial pads to wick moisture. This innovative helmet is available for purchase at $105. A biking accessory straight out of a science fiction movie. The EVAD Sports sunglasses use see-through technology to display real-time data directly in the cyclist's field of vision. External sensors records performance parameters like time, distance traveled, speed, elevation, and heart rate. The high-contrast photochromic lenses provide maximum protection in all weather conditions. The display module has a built-in rechargeable battery with up to 16 hours of use, and the glasses are designed to fit all face shapes. These futuristic sunglasses are priced at $500. Biking on city streets can be stressful for all road users, cyclists and vehicles especially. Tether hopes to increase safety for everyone. Tether is a light sensor communicator that projects a visual safe zone around the bike using green lights. The app also records locations of vehicle overtakes to identify safe and unsafe zones in the user's city. The sensor is built into a compact, water-resistant aluminum casing, and it can analyze surroundings up to 2 meters away from the cycle. The company starts shipping to its beta users soon, and Tether will hopefully be available for purchase in 2024. Estimates show that in most bicycle accidents, the most serious injuries are to the head, highlighting the importance of wearing a bicycle helmet. Swedish brand Hövding has created what they call the world's safest helmet to address just this. Surprisingly, this helmet is worn on your neck. The helmet contains an airbag that activates in the event of a crash. The collar uses sensors that read the cyclist's movement pattern 200 times per second, and once it detects abnormal movements caused by an accident, it inflates around the head and neck like a protective hood. According to Stanford University scientists, the airbag technology is 8 times safer than traditional bicycle helmets. The helmet has a battery that lasts up to 4 hours and is fitted using a front zipper. Hövding isn't producing the helmet at the moment, but there are other companies developing similar products for release in the near future. A flat tire can put a damper on any cycling expedition. This American company innovatively solves the issue by designing an air pump within your seat post, freeing up space and weight, while making sure you are never without a pump when you need it. Simply release the post using a quick release lever. The pump itself can reach over 100 psi in 10 to 12 pumps. The ergonomic design uses the bike saddle as a handle for the pump. The seat pump is priced at $83. For peak performance, tire pressure changes are necessary. High pressure is best on smooth roads, while lower pressure is better on rough terrain. The Scope Atmoz system allows cyclists to switch back and forth between the two, while the bike is in motion. The setup can be installed on any tubeless 700cc wheelset and runs using a donut-shaped module fitted on the wheel hub. Using handlebar-mounted buttons, the rider can release air from the module into the tire, thus increasing the tire's air pressure, or they can release air from the tire, lowering its pressure. Riders can also monitor the air pressure in both tires through a Bluetooth-connected cycling computer. This innovative system is priced at a whopping $4,397. When mountain biking over rough terrain, a lot of effort goes into keeping the front wheel steady when there's rocks and other obstacles in your way. Canyon Bicycles has set out to make things easier with its K.I.S self-centering steering system. Through this system, when the front wheel and handlebars turn to one side, the spring on the opposite side gently pulls them back towards a forward-facing position. Using a slider control, it's possible to adjust spring tension based on factors like the rider's size, weight, and riding style, as well as local terrain. The whole system reportedly weighs just 110 grams and requires no maintenance. As of now, it's being released on Canyon's custom trail bike called Spectral CF8 K.I.S for $4,499, although other models should soon follow. Don't forget to subscribe to Unstoppable Gadgets, and if you want to check out more of these crazy bike inventions, click on screen for the next video.